What's up, everyone, and welcome. Conti Ransomware has hit again. This time, they've hit a major player in the electronics industry, Delta Electronics. Delta Electronics supplies power supplies to major players around the world, including Apple and Tesla. Let's see what else we can learn to protect ourselves and others from this story.
Oh, drat these computers. They're so naughty and so complex. I could pinch them.
The Taiwanese electronics giant, Delta Electronics, has fallen victim to a recent cyber attack. According to the reports, the Conti Ransomware gang reportedly hit the largest power supply provider in the world. As a popular company known for exporting electronic components, Delta is a big name in the business industry. Most importantly, this is where tech titans such as Apple and Tesla get their power supplies for their products. During the fourth quarter of 2020, Delta said that it reached $9 billion in sales. That's how huge this company is. The company shared the information about the attack via Yahoo that the attack affected non-critical systems. Delta pointed out that these have no importance on the overall operation of its business. The attack itself was first spotted by Adventel on January 18th. Hey guys, thanks again for watching my episode on Conti hitting Delta Electronics with their ransomware. I appreciate your support. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and smash the bell to be notified when I upload new episodes where I give you insights into the newest important cybersecurity news stories like this one. With my insights, you can be better prepared to protect your company, your family, and yourself against these and other cyber attacks. So hit the subscribe button now and let's continue to learn about this story together. Currently, the electronics supplier stated that it was now solving the issue by restoring the impacted systems. It sought help from third-party cybersecurity professionals, of course. They wanted to hasten the ransomware probe and get the best possible solution. Moreover, Delta also mentioned that it called the government authorities to help them in the investigation. It would reportedly assist the firm as part of the follow-up. Although the Taiwanese tech provider did not reveal the exact name of the hackers, there was a trace of Conti ransomware in the network. This was first reported by CT Want on Thursday, January 27th. In the latest report, Bleeping Computer spotted that there was a negotiation on the part of Delta and Conti. Based on the agreement, the company should pay a ransom of $15 million. In return, well, if you take $15 million compared to $9 billion in revenues, that's nothing. But in return, the operators will give the decryptor for the affected devices. To add, they also promise that they won't leak any information to the public and add a discount if Delta pays immediately. So, based on this information, it seems as if the Conti ransomware group has more privileged private information than Delta would like the public to know. Now, according to the hackers, they had encrypted 12,000 PCs and 1,500 servers from approximately 65,000 devices that rely on the computer's network. To solidify the investigation, Delta collaborated with Microsoft and Trend Micro. The cybersecurity teams of these companies would help the electronics firm in the incident, of course. A week after the Conti group exploited Delta, its site was still down. However, there's no indication that the attack has affected its production. The Conti ransomware group revealed a specific pattern, part of the Delta attack, leveraging Cobalt Strike with Atera for persistence, as revealed by our platform adversarial invisibility. Certainly, this attack is reminiscent of the REvil Quanta one affecting one of the Apple suppliers. Adventel CEO Vitaly Kremez said in an interview with Bleeping Computer. According to the record, customers who can't access Delta's main domain could go to its alternative site. So, what can we learn from this? I think we can all agree that ransomware attacks are not the same thing as, say, a virus on your computer where you just need to reformat that one machine. The effects can be devastating to your company. After a week, something as simple as, Delta Electronics' own website still being offline is very troubling. This means partners, customers, and potentially support requests are not being serviced via said website. Some companies end up resorting to paper just so they can get back in business until their infrastructure comes back online. Now, this process can take anywhere from a couple of days, if you're lucky, to months. And we do not hear about these stories, but some companies are actually forced to shut down for good. Out of business, game over, Google it, there are a number of stories out there. So the importance of integrating the right cybersecurity plan for your company is imperative. so many people's livelihoods rest on your company staying in business and growing. So, if you still have not, I suggest you review your cybersecurity plan, your policies, check your infrastructure documentation, review your maintenance plans, your backup plans, and make sure you have continued education methods in place to inform and educate employees about the ongoing dangers of things like malicious email attachments, links in SMS messages, insecure passwords, etc., etc., etc. With that, I say thanks again for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already. And smash the bell if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.